RVSN stock, is this the right time to buy? I'm going to answer everything around that in this short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. With RVSN stock, we're $1.07, and generally speaking, I'm seeing a bigger retracement. Like, it's not like nothing unusual here or anything, but like, it is definitely like a bigger retracement. I just can't see my drawings neither because it seems like it's the first time analyzing this. By the way, I've done 35,000 videos, spent thousands of courses, mentors, documented everything. And when we're retracing down like this, I'm just looking at the left side of the screen, you know, because that's the only data that we can use. And since we're still in a bullish range, there is pretty much nothing stopping me from potentially taking things even higher. It must give me a proper double break shift in order for me to take things up. So if I don't see a proper shift, you know, a proper double break, there's just no way that I'm going to take things up. And what happens if the price breaks beneath the lows? That's fine, you know, I'm not going to like run after the trade or anything. So it's like such a simple approach. You don't have to pay $50 per month for Patreon. If you want to make more money trading in a simple only way, then you can click the first link in the description. I have a free newsletter and I'm sending you tomorrow's email, which is going to be so saucy, and you're not going to want to miss that out.